Hello and welcome to Amit's Tuition Center. In today's video lecture, we will learn the three different methods of expressing the concentration of solution. See, these three methods are molarity, molality and normality. First of all, we know that a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Most of the time we talk about only two substances. Solution we consider as the mixture of two homogeneous substances, out of which one is solute, which is in less quantity, and the other one is solvent, which is added in large quantity. Right? So first of all, today I am going to explain how we will express the concentration of a solution in terms of molarity. See, molarity is the number of moles of solute dissolved per liter of solution. I repeat, molarity is number of moles of solute dissolved per liter of solution. So mathematically we have molarity is equals to the moles of solute, okay, upon volume of solution, because we have written here per liter of a solution, and solution is always expressed in terms of volume. See here, if we express this volume in terms of liter, then it's okay. This is the mathematical formula for molarity, calculating the molarity. But most of the times, in numericals, when we do the numericals, this volume is given in terms of milliliter. So when we will take it in terms of milliliter, we will multiply it by 1000, because we know that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. And we know that the number of moles, the formula for number of moles is equals to the given weight, given mass over molecular mass. So first of all, we will calculate the number of moles of solute with this formula. Okay, volume of solution would be given in the numerical, and when we will put the values in this formula, we will easily get the molarity of the solution. But now comes the turn to units of this molarity. See, moles of solute. Here we have units. First of all, see, units of molarity. Molarity is expressed as capital M. Here we have moles of solute. So first of all, mole, okay, because it is moles of solute in the numerator, and in the denominator it is volume, either in liter or in milliliter. If we have this volume in milliliter, we will write here moles per milliliter, or if it is in liters, we will say mole per liter. And this quantity, this is known as molarity, denoted by capital M. See, now we will learn to express the concentration in terms of molarity. First of all, moles of solute dissolved per 1000 gram or 1 kg of the solvent. See again, number of moles of solute dissolved per 1000 gram of solvent. Okay, mathematically it is first of all denoted by small m. Molarity is equals to the mass of solute over moles of solute over mass of solvent in terms of gram. If we express it in grams, then as molarity we will again multiply it with 1000. Okay, now the question which is very important, that out of molarity and molality, which is the best method to express the concentration of the solution. Okay, here I have again written the formula of molarity. In molarity we have in denominator the term mass, but in molarity we have the term volume. Now our question is that which is the best method to express the concentration of a solution. See, as the temperature rises, volume of the solution changes. Okay, volume of the solution changes, but mass does not change. So we can say from this fact that molality is the best method or the best term to express the concentration of the solution, because mass of the solvent will not change. As the denominator will not change, so this molality will also not change. Okay, now we have normality. See, normality is the number of gram equivalents of solute dissolved per liter of a solution. I repeat, number of gram equivalents of solute per liter of a solution. Mathematically, it will be normality denoted by capital N equals to number of gram equivalent of solute over volume of solution. If this volume is expressed in terms of liters, then it's okay, but if we express it in terms of milliliter, then we will multiply it by 1000. Here the term number of grams equivalent can be calculated by the formula mass of solute over equivalent mass. First of all, we will calculate the number of gram equivalent by using the formula mass of solute over equivalent mass. If you remember, in molarity, where we find number of moles, there we see the given mass over molecular mass. Here in gram equivalent, we use mass of solute in numerator, same, but in denominator it is equivalent mass, and its units are gram equivalent per liter. These are the units of the normality, but it is simply written as capital N. Okay, so this is all about the molality and normality, the three methods to express the concentration of a solution. अगर आपको हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें.